Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, My Techno PK. I hope you are all well and enjoying my videos. So friends, today I have come up with a new video. I hope you will enjoy it too. And please press the like button and do subscribe the channel. Today we will learn how to make name ranges in Excel and after that we will do an example. So friends, let's start the video. I have already created the table. It is very simple table. If you want to learn formatting the table, please check out my other videos and also check I button. So now for creating a name range, we first use quick method. For this I select the names like this and then click on name box. And type any names of your choice. I type names. If you want to check that name range is created or not, please click on the name box drop down and select names. Now you can see that selection of name is highlighted. It was done by short method. Now friends, if you want to delete or modify it, click on formula from menu and select name manager. Here all the name range listed. I will select it and then click on delete. Press OK. Now click on new. New name dialog box appears. Here we type any name like name and then click on refers to. Red arrow and select range of cells like this. After selection, press OK. Now click on name box, drop down to check and select name. Now friends, I will tell you an easy method for quick creations of name range of all the columns. For this, select all the cells with heading rows like this and then click on create from selection from formula bar. From this dialog, only check top row and press OK. And now for checking, select from name box drop down like this. Now I will do example for how to use name ranges. Please click on the country and type is equal COUNTIF bracket open and type country and comma then type double quote Pakistan. It will display 2. Apply these steps to another cell like this. And now you can see the result. So friends, I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to my channel. I further suggest you to watch these videos multiple times for clarifying any doubts or do comments so then I will help. Thanks for watching.